for your front yard. And how is this for your backyard? And look, when you're ready, follow me down to 352 Ocean Beach Road and I'll show you how it all fits together. Welcome back. Come in, have a look around, and I'll meet you out on the deck when you're finished. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this home as much as I do. In this crazy world, this is my kind of place to be a safe haven. If you think it's yours, call me, come and have a look, and we'll see what we can do.